What's up, guys? Back again with another episode of C++. Let's get right into it. We're going to make a new program. It's called a Hello World program. It's a program that you make whenever you first start a new programming language. So yeah, I'll show you what that means. So just click File, New Project. So we're going to make a new project. Select that, and then click Empty Project. So we're not going to have any templates. So we're just going to have it empty. So we'll give it a name. I'm going to name mine Hello YouTube. Name yours whatever you want, and then save the location wherever you want it. I'm just gonna leave it there, but you might want to make your own little private folder for your C++ projects if you want to. So click OK, and it'll load. So now it's done. So go here. So source files is where you're gonna have all your code. Okay. So right click this, add new item. So we need to create a CPP file, which is a code file for C++. Not very descriptive, but yeah. So we're going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it hi. Doesn't even matter. So now this is where we type our code. Okay. So as you can see, it gives us suggestions whenever we type. So that's very useful if we want to type faster. So if you find one, just press tab and it'll open up. So anyway, so what we need to start with is this will be like the template for every C++ project that we do pretty much. So it'll get pretty much more advanced every time. So to get started, do hashtag include IO stream. Okay, that's that. You don't really have to know what it means. It's just a kind of like a package basically that we include inside of a project. So after that, we can do using namespace std. Yes, it's called std, but it's not std. It means standard. Okay, so haha. Int, which is a data type. We'll get into that soon. Int main. This is our main method where the code that, like, whenever you click start, that's what's run. Okay, and then it can call upon other methods accordingly. You don't really have to know too much about this, so just type it. And int main, and then we gotta say. So now we're gonna output a message to the console. So we'll do cout. And we'll do that. And so then we put our message inside double quotes. We can say hello YouTube. Okay. And then inline. You don't have to have inline, but it just means that that's the end of the line. So if you were to put another cout, it wouldn't be on the same line. It would create a whole new line basically. Alright, so that's that. And so if we run this, it'll run, but it'll close automatically because we didn't tell it to do something. So we're going to tell it to pause. So the program doesn't just like leave without us reading it first. So it'll pause, and then we gotta return 0. And that really doesn't mean anything exactly too important. Just have it there, okay? So go ahead and click this. It'll build your project, and then it'll run it. And here is your little thing that you made. And here's some diagnostic tools that you might want to look at. It's pretty interesting. You don't have to do anything, just if you want to. But anyway, here's your message, hello YouTube, and there we go. Pretty simple. And yeah, so, and if we didn't put the system pause, it would just close like as soon as it opened. So press an A key to continue. That's from the pause. Okay. So yeah, that's that. So just practice over and over typing this. Like, get really used to this. Okay. You don't have to know what every single word means. Okay, just do it raw, and you'll learn more about it later on in the tutorial. So that's it for this episode. It's really short, but you got something down. Just play around with it, put a new message in here every time, and there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment if you need help, if you're having trouble, and leave a like if you liked it. Peace.
Oh, how you sparkle, and oh, how you shine. That flush on your cheeks is more than the wine. And he must do something that I didn't do. Whatever he's doing, it looks